Well, M3 is the car I've always wanted to drive other than the Porsche 911, and the E36 is simple enough to maintain. The inline six sounds and runs beautifully and smoothly. It's got a lot of luxury options, even though it's a 1997, it's got the heated seats and all those things, so it's a nice car as well. It was 142,000 kilometers when I got the car. I think I'm the third owner. Or I know I'm the It's a 1997 BMW E36 M3 in Estoril Blue. Well, right now I have the 17-inch BBS 412 RZ or RZ wheels, which I believe came as an option on the E34s. Most people don't really know much about them. They think they're style 5s without caps. But yeah, they've got the deeper dish in the 5s, no bolts, they're one piece. But they look great and the fitment is perfect. It's definitely inspiring. It's got the grip in the corners and just the sound when you power out. It's nothing like it. Yeah, well, being rear-wheel drive, that's a plus. Plus the sharp, direct handling. You can really feel everything through the steering wheel without it being harsh or rough. FK Koningsport coilovers right now, they have a lot more to go. I haven't maxed them out by any means, but I think this is as low as I'll go. I was going to do a straight muffler delete and decided that would be a little too loud and obnoxious, so there's two MagnaFlow resonators on the back, kind of like one of those twin canister looking designs, sort of like the Corsa RSC exhaust. I hope that I'd never have to come to the point where I would be selling the car. I'd like to keep it forever. It is, as I said, one of my dream cars, and it just looks so beautiful, the color especially, and yeah, I'd like to keep it forever. My name is Jonathan Singh, and I drive a 1997 BMW M3.